Hello everyone, I'm Mahbubul Haque. My roll number is 1605051 and welcome to my project demonstration. My project is Smart Room Simulation in Proteus Software. So in my software Smart Room I have used a couple of sensors and couple of controls for controlling different devices. So first we'll see Pir Sensor. This sensor can detect human movement and I have used two sensors. One is just in front of the door, one is just inside the door, and if this sensor first get value 1 and followed by this sensor give 1, that means someone is entering into the room, and the reverse process means someone is coming out of the room. So when someone come in front of the door, then outside Pir sensor give value 1 and immediately prompt and enter password. So he will have to enter a password. So if he enters a wrong password, it will say that wrong password, and again it will prompt the password. So if he give the correct password, then the door will, so when he give the correct password, the door is opening. It is moving in clockwise direction, that means the door is opening. Now there is another way of entering into the room. I have used a virtual terminal instead of phone because there is no way to connect to the phone from the simulation. So from virtual terminal, if someone sends D message, then the door will open. So when the door is opened, a person can enter into the room, then inside Pir sensor will get value 1. So when he enter into the room and the door is closing, automatically it will close, and this Pir sensor will give value 0 because the person has entered into the room, no one inside these sensors. So when he has entered into the room, we see that there is one person in the room. This is for person. And now this row for temperature, T means temperature, A automatic, 33 current value, and 30 threshold. Similarly for light, automatic, current, threshold value. Now temperature threshold value is greater than current value, threshold value is less than current value, so temperature fan is on. Similarly for light, the threshold value is greater than current value, so light is turned on. Now we'll see how we can control lights and temperature. So we can, if we press button 3, we can go to light manual mode, or we can toggle the mode from manual to automatic, automatic to manual. Now light manual, so we're in the manual mode. So if we press button 4 in the manual mode, then the light will be turned on or turned off. Turn on, again 4, turned off. This way we can toggle the light. Now this automatic mode and turning on and off, we can also do that from our phone. So if we send message 3, then light will go into automatic mode, I mean toggling the mode. So lights in automatic mode. So in automatic mode, if we now press button 4, it will not turn on or turn off. Similarly, if we send message number 4, it will not turn or turn off. Similarly, for if we press 0, then temperature will go to automatic to manual, I mean toggle the mode, and we can also do that from our phone. Now temperature going into manual mode. Now in manual mode, if we send a message 1, then fan will turn off or turn on. Now fan is turned off. Again I send 1, the fan is turned on. Again send 1, turn off, so I'll keep it turned on. Again, now we can also change the threshold value of fan or temperature. So if we say use button number 2, we are going to the temperature threshold main change mode. In temperature threshold mode, we can use the plus button to change the temperature threshold. So plus is 31. Again, if I use plus, it's 30. Again plus, it's going to 32. Again plus 33. Similar way, we can also decrease by using the minus button. So when we're in any mode other than normal mode, we need to press this button, on button, to go into normal mode. So when we press this button, closing temperature threshold change mode. Similar way, by using button number 5, I can go into light threshold change mode, and using the plus minus button I can change the light threshold. Again, we know that Pir sensor have a drawback, so we can also adjust the number of people inside the room. You can use button number 6. So when we press button number 6, plus minus 2 adjust human count. Now if we press plus button, that will increase the number of people inside the room. Again plus, it will increase the number again. If we press minus button, it will decrease the number of people, so we keep it 1. Now again we need to press this button to go into normal mode. Now we see that there is a person in the room and light automatic, so light is turned on. So if I increase the intensity of light, then light will be turned off. So this way light is automatically turned on or turned off. Now when there is some fire hazard, like flame sensor gives value 1 or gas sensor gives value 1, the buzzer will be turned on and it will give the message fire hazard detected. It also send the message to our phone that fire hazard detected. Similar, if flame sensor gives value, similar things will happen. And when the fire hazard is gone, like it's extinguished, then it will give the message no fire hazard. Now we have window controller. So if we use this button, our window will open. So it is opening. It was in closed and now it is opening. Now if we press again, the windows will be closed. Like it will just toggle the window closed or open mode. It is also possible to control the window from messaging. So if we send W message, then the window will open or close. Again send a message, again it will open. Now we can also change the password. So to change the password, I need to send the message P. Now I need to enter a new password. So if I use a short password, it will say that password too short. So again I need to go to password. So to change the password, I will have to give a correct password, I mean longer than 4 characters. Then it will give the password reset successful message. Now if someone exits the room, what happens? When he comes in front of the room from inside the room, then the door will open. This time no password needed. And when the door is opened, he come outside, then out Pir sensor give 1. That means someone is coming out. And the door is closing now because he has come out, and this Pir sensor will get value 0. And after that we see that the count has been 0. Count is decreased. And now as the bulb was on, but now bulb is off because there is no person in the room, and again fan is turned on because it was in manual mode. So now we can turn it off manually by using this keypad, or from here by using button number 1. The fan is turned on. So that's all about my project. So I hope you enjoyed it.